Horses out, we have Genius Rose, pass to begin, Danori inside, Primera Pay, Renori outside, Madam Isabel, Royalty Material, worth the wait, Yellow Warta, Pagano, and Brave Lorky is the early trailer. We have Primera Pay, the leader by about 3 for Balenka. Right here in second is Madam Isabel, Royalty Material is racing in third alongside for Genius Rose, Yellow Art now to take fifth, then comes Pagano, worth the wait, and a long way back to Brave Lorky. Yet still Primera Pay, Renori outside is Madam Isabel, Royalty Material now trying to get closer in third, Yellow Art in fourth, then followed over by Genius Rose, worth the wait. Now we have Madam Isabel takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Yellow Art now in second, Primera Pay drives back in third, and here comes Genius Rose, Royalty Material. And it's still Madam Isabel, Yellow Art is on the outside. It's now Yellow Art takes the lead, followed by Madam Isabel in second, Genius Rose, worth the wait now to take for us. They come down at the last 100. We have Yellow Art, and on the outside is Madam Isabel, Genius Rose, worth the wait in fourth. Yellow Art, Madam Isabel once again on the outside. Yellow Art, Madam Isabel, worth the wait is on the outside. Entering the finish line, it's going to be close finish between Madam Isabel, worth the wait, then comes Genius Rose, number 6.
Alright, so may close finish tayo.
Right, between 3 and 3.